tall dead grass. Didn't need to light it, didn't need to ask. One look, one touch, just a little flame. Thought I had control of it, man, I was wrong again. Came out of nowhere on a calm July night. No thunder, no warning, just heat and light. I fought my share of fights, thought I knew desire, but I never met nothing like this fire. You don't plan it, you don't contain it, you just pray you survive it. Love is a wildfire, running through my veins, burning through the dark like gasoline rain. And don't ask permission, don't play fair, shows up uninvited, catches you unprepared. You can try to outrun it, try to deny it, but once it's alive, man, it won't retire. Yeah, love is a wildfire. I've seen embers glow in the dead of snow. I've seen sparks where they ain't supposed to grow. Out in the open or buried deep, even ashes remember what they used to be. It jumps the lines, it breaks the rules, burns down the fences, melts the truth. I've been cool before, I played it safe, but you lit me up in the strangest place. You could drown it in doubt, try to keep it small, but fire don't care what you want at all. Love is a wildfire, wild and untamed, leave smoke in your lungs and your heart in flames. It don't need a reason, don't need a plan, it just takes a breath and turns into a stand. You can lock the doors, build higher wire, but it'll find a way to climb higher. Yeah, love is a wildfire. I felt the heat when the night goes still, when the only sound is my own free will. If I burn out